Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in GoodNotes. First, open the GoodNotes application on your device. Once it's open, you'll want to be in the main Documents view, where you see all your notebooks. Look for the gear icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will open up the main Settings menu, allowing you to customize various aspects of your GoodNotes experience. After tapping the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this list of options, please select Notebook Settings. This specific section is where you can adjust preferences related to your notebooks and how they behave. Within Notebook Settings, you will find an option clearly labeled Default Font. This is the setting we need to modify to change the standard font for all new text boxes you create. Now, tap on the Default Font option. A list of all available fonts will appear, allowing you to browse through many different styles. Take your time to scroll through this selection and choose the font that best suits your needs or aesthetic preference. You can also adjust the default font size and color from this same menu, giving you complete control over your text appearance. Once you have made your selection, the new font will automatically be set as your default for all future text boxes. To confirm this change, simply go back to a notebook and create a new text box. You should immediately see your chosen font applied. Remember, this change only affects new text boxes. Any existing text boxes will keep their original font settings. Enjoy your personalized GoodNotes experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.